Tim Duncan, a name synonymous with fundamental excellence and unparalleled humility on the basketball court, left the NBA with a legacy cemented in 5 championships. Yet, his story didn't end with his jersey retirement. It merely transitioned to a new, even more private chapter, the meticulous construction of a vast financial empire. While the public eye often tracks the splashy post-career moves of sports titans, Duncan chose a different path, quietly building what many now estimate to be a billionaire fortune, a testament to his disciplined, low-profile approach to wealth. His journey offers a unique blueprint for enduring success. Duncan's illustrious 19-year NBA career with the San Antonio Spurs saw him earn over $240 million in salary alone, a substantial foundation for any financial future. However, unlike some athletes who rapidly spend or mismanage their fortunes, Duncan's inherent discipline and understated nature extended far beyond the court. Even during his playing days, he was known for his frugality and aversion to ostentation. This foundational capital, combined with a mindset geared towards preservation and strategic growth, set the stage for his remarkable post-retirement financial trajectory, emphasizing long-term stability over short-term gratification. For many professional athletes, retirement brings a period of adjustment, sometimes uncertainty. For Tim Duncan, it marked a focused pivot. The same rigorous preparation and strategic thinking that defined his basketball game were seamlessly transferred to the world of finance and business. His post-NBA life wasn't about seeking new celebrity or endorsement deals, it was about leveraging his capital and intellect to build sustainable wealth. This transition underscores his unique approach, viewing retirement not as an end, but as a strategic beginning to a second, equally impactful career as a financial architect, entirely on his own terms. At the core of Duncan's financial ascension is a shrewd, methodical approach to investing. He eschewed speculative fads, favoring instead diversified portfolios built on sound, long-term principles. His investments span various sectors, reflecting a deep understanding of market dynamics and a commitment to capital preservation alongside growth. This isn't about chasing viral trends or making risky bets, it's about identifying undervalued assets, patiently nurturing them, and allowing the power of compound interest to work its magic. His quiet demeanor mirrors his investment philosophy, steady, reliable, and deeply fundamental. A significant cornerstone of Duncan's post-retirement wealth building has been his strategic foray into real estate. While specific details remain private, it's understood he has accumulated a substantial portfolio of properties, likely focused in and around his home base of San Antonio, Texas, but potentially extending beyond. This isn't just about owning a few houses, it's about investing in commercial properties, development projects, and land assets that provide both consistent income streams and long-term appreciation. Real estate, for Duncan, offers tangible security and a predictable avenue for wealth growth, aligning perfectly with his grounded persona. One of Duncan's most publicly known ventures, though still operated with his characteristic discretion, is Blackjack Speed Shop in San Antonio. This automotive customization and repair shop reflects a personal passion, but it's also a serious business. Blackjack isn't a celebrity vanity project, it's a meticulously run enterprise providing high-quality services. It embodies his hands-on approach and dedication to excellence, even in areas outside basketball. This business, like his other endeavors, is managed with a focus on long-term viability and customer satisfaction, rather than fleeting fame or quick profits. It's an example of investing in what he genuinely cares about. Beyond Blackjack Speed Shop, Tim Duncan's private business portfolio is understood to be diverse, though specifics are deliberately kept under wraps. His ventures likely span various sectors, from technology to hospitality, always chosen for their potential for sustained growth and alignment with his values. He doesn't just lend his name, he invests deeply, seeking strategic control and oversight. This diversification protects his wealth and allows for multiple streams of income, a hallmark of sophisticated financial planning. It's a testament to his comprehensive approach to empire building, quietly expanding his influence across numerous industries without fanfare. What truly sets Tim Duncan apart in the post-retirement landscape of sports legends is his unwavering commitment to privacy. In an era where many public figures actively cultivate a brand around their personality, Duncan deliberately shies away from the spotlight. This isn't accidental, it's a conscious strategic choice. His businesses and investments don't rely on his celebrity status for marketing or exposure. Instead, they thrive on fundamental value and performance. This anti-celebrity stance has allowed him to operate with a degree of freedom and focus rarely afforded to public figures, protecting his ventures from undue scrutiny and public pressure. Duncan's low-profile approach isn't just a personal preference, it's a powerful business advantage. By operating largely outside the public eye, his ventures avoid the intense scrutiny and often unrealistic expectations placed on celebrity-backed projects. This discretion allows for smoother negotiations, more agile decision-making, and an uninterrupted focus on long-term growth. It removes the celebrity tax that can inflate costs or attract unnecessary attention. In a world obsessed with visibility, Duncan understood the profound power of invisibility, enabling his financial empire to flourish quietly and organically, shielded from external pressures and distractions. To truly appreciate Tim Duncan's unique journey, one must contrast it with the post-retirement paths of many other NBA legends. While some have sought to remain in the public eye through media roles, high-profile coaching positions, or consumer brands leveraging their fame, Duncan chose quiet accumulation. His peers often pursued ventures demanding public face time and constant brand promotion. Duncan's strategy, however, was fundamentally different, building wealth on the bedrock of strategic investments and private enterprises, proving that profound financial success doesn't always require a public spotlight. He redefined the blueprint for post-athletic empire building. Tim Duncan's financial strategy is characterized by an unwavering commitment to the long game. Unlike the allure of quick returns or speculative ventures that attract many, Duncan's investments are rooted in patience and thorough due diligence. He understands that true, sustainable wealth is built over years, even decades, through consistent performance and strategic foresight. This long-term perspective allows his assets to compound and mature, insulating him from market volatility and short-term pressures. It's a testament to his fundamental belief in steady growth, mirroring the consistent, fundamental plays that defined his Hall of Fame basketball career. Behind every successful, low-profile venture is often a highly competent and equally discreet team. While Duncan keeps his advisors out of the public eye, it's clear he relies on a trusted circle of financial experts, legal counsel, and business managers. His personality suggests a preference for collaboration with individuals who share his values of integrity and discretion. Building this robust, private support system has been crucial to navigating complex investment landscapes and managing a diverse portfolio, ensuring his empire operates efficiently and effectively without ever needing to step into the media glare himself. This team acts as his eyes and ears in the financial world. While many of Duncan's known ventures, like Blackjack Speed Shop, are firmly rooted in San Antonio, his investment strategy is likely to have a broader, if not global, reach. His commitment to his adopted hometown is clear, but sophisticated wealth management typically involves diversifying geographically. This balance allows him to contribute to his local community while tapping into broader economic opportunities. His approach demonstrates that one can maintain strong community ties and invest locally, yet still think and act globally when it comes to building a truly expansive and resilient financial portfolio, all without drawing undue attention. Duncan's quiet success isn't just about having money, it's about continuously developing financial intelligence. His disciplined nature likely extends to a sustained effort to understand market trends, economic indicators, and investment vehicles. This continuous learning, conducted away from the public eye, enables him to make informed decisions and adapt his strategy as needed. He's not relying on others blindly, he's an engaged principal in his own financial destiny. This commitment to self-education and informed action is a quiet strength, allowing his empire to evolve and strengthen even as economic landscapes shift, securing his legacy as a truly astute businessman. While Tim Duncan's exact net worth remains unconfirmed and fiercely private, the collective financial wisdom suggests he has quietly achieved billionaire status. This isn't a figure he would ever publicize or celebrate, yet it speaks volumes about the efficacy of his post-retirement strategy. It's a whisper of immense success, built not on flash or fame, but on solid investments, thriving businesses, and unwavering discretion. This quiet ascension to the highest echelons of wealth underscores that true financial power doesn't always announce itself with trumpets, but often grows steadily and silently, away from the clamor of public attention, embodying the very definition of a quiet billionaire. In line with his humble and private nature, Tim Duncan's philanthropic efforts are also carried out largely away from the public eye. While many celebrities use their giving as a platform, Duncan's approach to charity is as fundamental and understated as his approach to business. He supports causes close to his heart, particularly in education and youth development, ensuring his contributions make a genuine impact without the need for publicity. This commitment to giving back, done with characteristic modesty, further solidifies his image as a man of integrity, whose values permeate every aspect of his life, including his immense financial success. Tim Duncan's post-retirement journey offers a compelling blueprint for financial freedom and sustained wealth. It demonstrates that true financial mastery doesn't always demand flashy headlines or public adoration. Instead, it can be forged through discipline, strategic long-term thinking, a genuine passion for sound investments, and an unwavering commitment to privacy. He has crafted a legacy that extends far beyond the basketball court, proving that the big fundamental is equally adept at fundamental wealth building. His story is a powerful reminder that sometimes, the greatest successes are achieved not in the spotlight, but in the quiet, deliberate pursuit of one's own vision. From the quiet dominance on the court to the even quieter mastery of finance, Tim Duncan remains an enigma, a man whose actions speak far louder than any words or public appearances. His journey from NBA superstar to quiet billionaire is a masterclass in disciplined transitions, strategic vision, and the profound power of discretion. As the echoes of his basketball glory fade, the foundations of his financial empire stand strong, a testament to a unique approach to life and wealth. Tim Duncan didn't just play the game, he fundamentally understood how to build a lasting legacy, both on and off the court, proving that true wealth is often built in silence.